I'd like to welcome everybody to Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it's hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And this is a collaboration with a lot of other ladies, and they do tiny tidies as well, and we support each other. Let's have a look at this basket. This is a basket that I keep beside my bed. And I have all kinds of stuff in it. Box of Kleenex, some papers, oops, some toothpicks. Let's put you down here. I like to have this basket beside my bed because I like to have stuff handy. Sometimes it just gets kind of silly. And when I get sick, I get lazy and I don't want to take things out, put things where they should go. So I'm just going to start a little pile of garbage. And, oh, this one's, I've got some stuff that can go in the garbage. It's cream and stuff that's too scented for me. So we'll put it in this little bag here to throw out. And this, and this. Bought some new underwear too. So got that put away. This is another bag that's empty. My Tums I like to have. I have my pads for cleaning my face, for cleaning my makeup off at night if I'm tired and I'm just crawling into bed. And I brush my teeth, but I just don't have energy to wash my face. I take these pads and wash my face. And these are Neutrogena. I really like them. They don't sting your eyes. And they have a nice little box to keep them in. So I have two boxes open, so I'm going to put them both, because they're both partly used, I'm going to put them both in one box. And that'll, I have my vitamins. Okay, I have hand cream, I'm never going to, no, it's face cream I'm never going to use. This is eyeglass cleaner. I guess a couple of my panties got thrown in this basket. They're clean. So I'll put them away. And this is one of my old masks. I'll keep it. Just gonna put it in the bottom drawer. This is a piece for my sleep apnea machine, which is good. Definitely want to keep that, but I don't need it here. Here's another mask, another glove, another piece for my sleep apnea machine. And then I have melatonin and stuff. There's some more face washes. I think we'll put this stuff. Oh, I'll keep it here. Voltaren for aches and pains. A little back scratcher. And put that in the drawer. A makeup sponge. Should go out in the room. And assorted sinus pills. Like I have a whole drugstore here. Empty bottles of nose spray. Tablets and garbage. Okay, let's see. This stuff can go in the drawer here. Put that in the drawer. This is garbage. Okay, I have a whole bunch of nail polish that are no good anymore. And I just keep hanging on to them. This one looks like it's pretty new. But lots of them are just too old and they just don't go on nice anymore. So I'll get rid of those three. No, I don't wear that lipstick. That says June, so we'll get rid of it. Garbage. This is for my nails. This is makeup that I don't use. There's another bottle of nail polish. That might be okay. I don't, that's too smelly. These are some creams, polysporin. New earbuds, or old earbuds, new ones. I think these are my new ones. Got to get them set up. Good grief. I got a lot of stuff in this basket. This is pretty deep. Oh, baby gravels. Baby gravels. With chronic fatigue, I get a lot of nausea. And I find that if I suck on one of these baby gravels, in about 5 minutes, it settles my nausea down. Now, I'm not recommending this for anybody, but I'm just saying this does help my nausea. And ask your doctor, of course, first before you take any kind of medication. But this is a baby gravel, and I take 1 tablet and suck on it, and it really helps for my nausea. So, I don't know how many of you out there have chronic fatigue like I do, but the chronic fatigue makes me nauseated, especially if I get overtired or overheated. So, I just thought that might be a little tip for somebody. But do ask your doctor. Okay, I got this little bag again because I got little tiny things I need to throw out. Oh, there's an earring. I want to throw that out. Okay. And the rest of this stuff, it is toothpicks and stuff. The bottom of that basket's kind of dirty. So I'm going to, whatever's on the bottom here, just throw it. I have a tennis ball because I have sciatica pain. If you have sciatica pain and you know where the root of this pain comes from, if you can find where your sciatic starts and it really hurts, if you lay on the floor and put this ball under where the sciatic pain is and roll on it, it will help relieve the sciatic pain. And I have many stretches that I do that I've gotten off of YouTube and Facebook to help with my sciatic pain. And it really helps. Okay, so this is all the garbage out of my basket. And I'm going to, okay. This stuff. I am going to put in my junk drawer down here, which I have my jewelry in. And it needs a tidy too, but not today. I have my jewelry in containers like this, and I keep it in a drawer down here with lots of other stuff. And it could use a tiny tidy someday. Okay, I have this bag. That's good. That's good. That's a good one. And I'm going to throw all this stuff out. So let's see what I can get in here. That's a fairly gosh. This is garbage. I'm going to put it in the garbage out in the kitchen. And I'm going to put this in the bathroom because this glass is cleaner. Yeah, I don't want it in here. Okay. Put anything small in here. And then I know where these guys are. I take melatonin to help me sleep at night. There's my tennis ball, my wipes, my toothpickies, my Kleenex. This is empty, so it can go in the drawer. This is all the small stuff. So I'm going to put it in this bag. And I'm going to put stuff back in the basket. And it's going to be much better and easier to find things. Oh, that one's empty. That one's it can go in another room. This goes in the drawer. I don't think, yeah. Okay, so now that's what that basket looks like. Not sure if I showed you very good at the beginning what it looked like, but I can now put my earbuds back in there, and I can put my vitamins back in there. So I can see them and know where they are. This is going to go in my craft room. This goes on top of my box, so I have Kleenex handy. And this is my back scratcher that I like. And it sticks up in this basket. So, now, here we have some stuff. Let's put this stuff in the drawer first. Okay, so now you've seen me clean this up before. This is a slab. Here's some more nail polish. Let's see if I can put some of this stuff in this bag. And these are the two creams I use. This is my old. This is all garbage. This is all garbage, so I'm going to put it on the bed. You can see better if I do that. These are pieces for my earbuds. Those are creams I don't use. And this should go in my craft room. This is empty, so it's garbage. And then here, can you see that? There's my arm just in the way. This is where I put there's an earring in there. A few earrings in here, they don't go in there. Earrings go in the drawers. Mirror. My deodorant. My husband's, they can go down there. They're in a big jar. This is garbage. Need a tiny screwdriver. Never know when you need that. Some more melatonin. I'll put that. Oh, I'm gonna put this jar in here because I don't take that one as much. And I close that up. Straighten this up. Some cream. Those pretty little gloves that I like to put here just for decoration over my silver mirror. And there's my dresser tidied up. It's not really dusty, but I think that's it. So that's going to be it for my tiny tidy. I'm pleased I got my basket cleaned up. Everybody watching. And if you haven't been to my channel before, my name is Sharon. And I put up videos on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.